If the distance is too long to walk but too short to drive, maybe one of the best electric scooters will help. The popularity of electric scooters has exploded since they're simple to use and speedy. Moreover, they can be stored easily in apartments and smaller spaces because they're more compact than bikes. Choosing the best electric scooter for your needs can be challenging, but we compiled this list to help you decide which electric scooter is right for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check links given in the description below. Now, let's watch the video. If you want an electric scooter that's comfortable to ride, solid battery life, and get you to from point A to point B, the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter is our choice as the best budget electric scooter right now. Hiboy S2 is a well-made entry-level offering that's ideal for casual riders, and it offers some features that are typically found on more expensive models. The Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter has a maximum speed of 19 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles. The lithium-ion 36-volt battery drives the 350-watt motor and takes 6 hours to fully charge. It comes with newly upgraded 10 inches solid tires for a more comfortable riding, and don't worry about potential tire replace. Its 10-inch solid tires and the suspensions provide smooth and carefree rides, without the threat of flat tires, making it great for all types of roads. Pressing the power button turns the scooter on. If you want to turn it off, you need to hold the power button for about 5 seconds. By default, this is a kick-to-start scooter. With the app, you can select whether you want the scooter to start with a kick or just when you press the acceleration button. You can use the bell on the right handlebar to alert other traffic participants of your presence, which is loud enough to be heard by most pedestrians, and probably some people inside vehicles as well. You can fold the stem of the scooter by unlocking the stem latch on the front. You can take the small locking frame out of the rear fender and connect it to the hook on the stem, which makes the scooter convenient for carrying. The scooter is designed for reliability, endurance, and toughness, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort even one bit, and it enables an ergonomic body stance and posture while riding. Its ease of use, durability, and affordable price make it a great choice for beginners. Many first-time owners choose it every day. For anyone who wants a scooter that can withstand most conditions, stop on dime, and has a powerful motor that could reach impressive speeds at an affordable price, Razor Power Core E90 is a best electric scooter that performs well for money. Its unique and innovative side-by-side decks enables you to ride this scooter in a new way. It comes with rechargeable 12-volt sealed lead-acid battery that provides an extended ride time of up to 60 minutes continuous use. Furthermore, there is a hand-operated brake on the front and a retractable kickstand. The 90-watt maintenance-free, high-torque hub motor delivers smooth acceleration with a push of the throttle thanks to PowerCore technology. With its rear-wheel drive, it offers better balance control and traction for a smoother, safer ride. Razor Power Core E90 is the most powerful option on the market, but it is made from high-quality parts to deliver a smooth riding experience and provide surprising performance for a reasonable price. This is an ideal option if you want something that works well on most terrain, has a self-charging battery, and can effectively handle mid-range travel. Next up we have GoTrax GLX V2. This is the GoTrax most classic, mature, and reliable electric scooter. It has a large console, long battery life, folding mechanism. Featuring a 187.2-watt battery, it travels up to 12 miles and recharges in about 4 hours. Its 250-watt motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The GLX V2 reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. It has decent hill performance, but steep hills will be slow to climb. You can supplement the motor with a few kicks on an incline, and many urban climbs can be conquered. It comes with front regenerative and rear disc brakes. There is a decent regenerative brake on the front, but it's the rear disc brake that steals the show. This scooter is fun to ride and nimble. Its tires are large enough to roll over many common road hazards, but not so large as to be cumbersome. You can fold it quickly and locks into a compact small size. The handlebars do not fold, but it still fits in the back of the car, can be carried upstairs, and can be placed under a desk at work. It has also display LED, which is bright and minimalist. It provides speed and battery status. Brakes are controlled on the left of the handlebars via a lever. On the right is the accelerator, which is operated by a thumb throttle. There is a forward-facing LED light and a rear reflector. This scooter is ideal if you are spending most of your time on good to moderate quality roads. If you are looking for a scooter that has enough battery life to withstand heavy-duty usage and excellent build quality, speed, and customizable riding experience, the Segway Ninebot Max is an excellent choice in our opinion. It has powerful 350-watt motor. It can reach to 18.6 miles per hour and travel up to 44 miles. It can carry maximum load of 220 pounds. It has newly upgraded 10-inch self-healing tires, which can withstand multiple punctures without tire deflation, prevents a potential tire replacement with better safety. A powerful assist function allows you to push your scooter when you aren't riding, while Eco, Standard, and Sports modes are directly accessible on the dashboard. Check your maintenance signals, power levels, Bluetooth connectivity, among other things. Featuring large-capacity lithium batteries, it has a 551-watt power output. A smart battery management system closely monitors the battery status and provides multiple protection mechanisms, including short-circuit protection, two-way charging and discharging protection, overcurrent protection, and temperature protection, to extend battery life and ensure battery safety. It has dual braking system, mechanical and electrical anti-lock braking system ensure braking safety. In addition to self-healing tubeless self-sealing tires, front and rear shock absorbers provide maximum comfort. It can be folded with ease in mere 3 seconds of time. It is easy to carry on public transportation, store in your car, and transport to the destinations of your choice. 2 people can be accommodated simultaneously on the Ninebot Max's widened platform. It can be carried on public transportation, stored in your car, and taken anywhere you want. Last product on our list is the wagtron GLX V2. It has a 250-watt electric motor that is integrated into the front wheel and relatively quiet. With its default zero-start setting, the scooter launches quickly and accelerates well. The electric motor accelerates quite quickly up to about 10 miles per hour. Then it takes quite a bit longer to reach its top speed, 18 miles per hour. For a short commute to work, even 18 miles per hour feels quick and is about all you'll need. It has acceptable hill climbing performance. It has a 216-watt lithium-ion battery pack, which is a good size for such an inexpensive scooter. The Swagger 5 has a disc brake at the rear and an electronic brake at the front. Electronic brakes are all or nothing and activate immediately when the brake lever is pressed. It has decent ride quality and is best suited for roads that are in good moderate condition. You will get rattled around if you ride on poor terrain. Due to the lack of mechanical suspension, you'll only get cushioning from the tires on the Swagger. Its combination of a pneumatic front tire and rear airless tire provides a surprisingly smooth ride. Its 3-step folding system ensures that it stays collapsed securely. With a weight of just 26 pounds and a compact folding design, it is easy to transport and store. Adorned with a front LED light, a rear brake light, and a mechanically operated bell, the Swagger 5 Elite avoids compromising on safety features that keep others aware of your presence. The scooter is supplied with a water bottle cage, so you can keep a refreshing beverage within reach. The Android app also empowers you with cruise control, route planning, speed control, and more. It features a strong and lightweight aluminum frame and a compact design, allowing it to be easily ridden and carried. Overall, this is a best electric scooter that offers good battery life, compact design, and much better riding experience. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.